excited, guys. So I just learned that Dana Beach is or was one of the first cities in Florida. Can you just imagine? I just got past the Hotel Morrison. They were at our trade show yesterday, and we were told that it's one of the most modern, hip type hotel this side of Fort Lauderdale. So hope we'll get a chance to check it out one day soon. But we're just heading home. It's been a nice little day out, and I know you're not hearing from us the way you're accustomed to, but I promise I will give you a recap of our entire journey throughout this week. And you'll see all the fun you're missing. So for the moment, there's Sharon, there's Desroy, and we've got James. I'd like to say I'm the co-pilot, but that's not true.
Yeah, you are.
Alright, he's nice. So guys, we're out for now. It's Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You know we're all about the fun. Ciao for now. Oh my god, can you just imagine? I found this woman. I mean, we were just together in Ochoas the other day, and now we are on Harmony of the Seas. Good to see you, baby. Good to see you, darling. Boy, I am having such a good time. Oh my goodness. There's so many Jamaicans working on board. I feel so at home. So I just saw Janet Dinell. Can you imagine? Oh, well, you saw that picture. I couldn't let that escape. This is wonderful. Did you get the picture? So, this is lunch. I'm having the short ribs. I did tell you that. But you know, I have to have my fish. I'll tell you all about it, I promise. Alright, later. View of the crab cake. Look at it. Oh, yes, you are drooling. You are salivating. And you're not happy with me right now. That's okay, I love you anyway. Time to come on a cruise with us. You know. Don't hate. It's all about love, because we're all about the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand finale. Cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. Yes, ma'am. Never too full for it. I am gonna make space for it, deal with it, and tell you all about it. I'll give you the review in a minute. Pure poetry in motion. This is wonderful. Really love this ship and all it has to offer. Beautiful. Right there. Yes, you guessed it. Ice skating at sea. Now, if you were listening to Vicky Free the other night, she did speak of the 4 different platforms on which entertainment is realized on the Royal Caribbean ships. So they do it in the air, they do it on the stage, they do it on ice, and there was another one. I wonder who can tell me. So I have $2,500 in gift certificates for Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited if you can fill in that missing component. 4 different platforms on which entertainment is realized. Give me the answer and you walk away with your own free gift certificate, because at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun.